Hey guys, it's Steven with Foxtrot Family Law. We're going to be taking a look at some questions and answers on avvo.com. And let's see what we've got out there. We've answered a lot of questions before. You can go there and ask questions yourself if there's something you're interested in, and it doesn't have to be about child custody. Anything that you might have a question about, visit avvo.com. There is something out there that's going to help you gather more information, but certainly in preparation for meeting with an attorney yourself about your specific information and issue. One question we're looking at today: what would grant me sole custody of my son? I think this is a mother. My son's father and I do not have any legal custody agreement. He moved 7 hours away years ago and barely sees his son as it is. He's also military. What would my chances be of being able to get sole custody? Okay, questions like what kind of chances would I have? Those are very difficult. And those are questions that even after an initial consultation, we at Foxtrot are very careful about answering. What is more effective and what might be a better question than what are my chances of being able to get sole custody? I think you're talking about sole physical, sole legal. I think you just do what you need to do to get some sort of order in place, regardless of what it is, regardless of what your chances are. I mean, if I responded to this question and I said, it's a long shot, would you just not file anything? I mean, is that the solution? So I hear you. I understand why that's a concern. When you invest your time, energy, and significant finances in a project, you want to know how likely it is of achieving very specific goals. But this is child custody. This isn't an exact science by any stretch. So in the best of circumstances, there's very little of an opportunity to know what your specific chances of any specific result are. What we focus on and what the information we're giving here is do what you're supposed to do. Present things that you think are important for any court to consider in awarding a child custody order. And any order is better than no order. So what I'm a little concerned about on this question is that, well, if I don't know, I'm going to go spend thousands of dollars or go on this payment plan and I don't know what's going to happen. Yeah, well, whatever happens, you'll be better off by doing nothing. And I don't want to answer this question in such a way that gives you an excuse or permission to do nothing, because that's not the answer. I know that's not the answer. Things will be worse if you do nothing. How about that? That's not the question you asked, but that's my answer. And I apologize if it's not specifically the answer you were looking for. So you can certainly visit our website and book a consultation if you'd like to, or someone maybe closer to your area if you're not in North Alabama. But certainly the next step would be book an initial consultation with a qualified, experienced child custody lawyer and get this process started, as we like to say at Foxtrot: win, lose, or draw. Forward progress, forward motion, doing something is going to be better than doing nothing. These things don't get better on their own. They just don't. So we wish you the best of luck. If there's anything more specific, certainly you can contact our office at the information below. You can also like, comment, or subscribe to stay in touch with Foxtrot Family Law. Thank you.